Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. Now to do that, you should go to the Gmail right here, and you should make sure that you have logged in using the Gmail that you want to sign out from other devices. So click on this profile icon on the top right side and choose your email. And once you choose your email, you will have to click on Google account right here. After that, it will redirect you to this page right here. You can also click on this arrow right here in order to switch between your accounts. But here in my case, I will try to sign out from other devices. So you will have to scroll to the right till you find here security. Just click on it. And here you should scroll down till you find an option called your devices, and now you can click on manage all devices, and here you can find all the devices that you have the account signed in with. So you just have to choose any device that you want to sign out from it. So let's say that I will sign out from my computer, specifically from Google Chrome. So I will click on this option, click on any one of them, then they will ask for your fingerprint, and now you will just have to click on sign out button just right here, and by this way you can sign out from Google Chrome on your computer. You can do the same for all other devices and all other browsers that you have the email signed in on, and this is how we can actually do it. It's pretty much easy. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.